Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to airdrop NFTs using Bitbond Token Tool. Start by heading to tokentool.bitbond.com and connecting your wallet. Now, select your preferred blockchain from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Airdrop NFTs under the Airdrop Tokens tab. This function allows you to send NFTs to many recipients in one transaction. The NFTs that you want to send have to be in the wallet that is connected to Token Tool. After selecting the contract address of the NFT, paste a list of recipient addresses and the respective token IDs in the Select Token field. The list should include each recipient address and the respective token ID separated by a comma. Make sure there are no spaces. Each address has to be on a new line like so. Click Continue. Then approve sending of the NFTs on your behalf. Confirm the transaction in your wallet to pay fees. Your tokens will be sent in batches of 150 addresses. If there are more than 150 addresses in your list, you will have to approve each batch separately. And that's it. You have now learned how to easily airdrop NFTs. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.